ha ha ha. Hello my faithful faggots. My name is Drew Pickles, the gayest man in the universe, and today I am going to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is a 1974 horror film made by Tobe Hooper, loosely based on the real-life murders conducted by serial killer Ed Gein. Yes, even though the film purposely bases itself on an actual event, the plot and characters of said film are entirely fictional. And now, without any further fourth wall decapitating, let's get this video underway. Now then, go get to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I will naturally have to, you guessed it, go to DW Forever's local video store Family Video, and grab me a DVD copy of the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And when I get into the store, I will have to look through the horror section like look, and I will find a copy of the original, and so then I will go up to the front desk and a male employee will say, welcome, ha ha ha, come to Family Video, how can I help you? And he will say, hold in, you're that Rugrats character Drew Pickles. I used to love watching your show as a kid. In fact, I saved all the old Rugrats videos from the kids section on our store, and every now and then, in a slow night, I like to pop one in and watch all the nostalgic swellness. And by the way, you were always my favorite character, along with your brothers Stu Pickles and your father Lou Pickles. Oh, and I also happen to love watching you and your adventures of the Barney Bunch on YouTube, as well as the older Swell Speakonia groups. In fact, one of my fellow co-workers, who is female by the way and a bisexual like myself, told me that she has had several encounters with Betty DeVille in some of DW Forever's previous videos. And then I will say that's swell to hear, my sexy little bisexual bum boy, but do you know what happens when someone breaks the fourth wall in a Speakonia video? And he will grin and say, what do you think, as he raises his eyebrows, and then I will say, well then here I come, pun intended, like it's always nice to meet someone who is a fan of my swell work, but the fourth wall may not stand a chance in this video now, not that it ever did anyway. Now suck my cock, get ready for my Milky Man fluids like bag, that was swell. After that I will take the DVD disc out of the case and stick my 300-mile-long penis into the hole of the disc and thrust through it like and then I will be magically transported into the film. Bag, that was swell. I will then hop into my penis car and head down the road, where I shall meet the hitchhiker. Now anyone who watches horror films on a regular basis and saw a situation like this, he would avoid the shady character altogether. But since I'm Drew Pickles, I will stop my penis car and let the stranger in for the ride. He will start talking to me about the nearby factory, and how he and his family used to work there, and then go on to ramblings about head cheese, and the word head cheese will give me such a raging boner, because head cheese to a poopy faggot like myself means the tasty man cheese that squirts out of the head of a penis. And since the fourth wall has once again been sufficiently cracked, I turn to the hitchhiker and I Oh, I thought you said you were in a hurry. The best rapist there ever was. This won't be the last damn hitchhiker I pick up in my penis car. Unless it's an erg. Female. Suck my cock. Now open wide and have a taste of my head cheese like bag. That was swell. After I have subdued the hitchhiker, I will stop at this quaint-looking house, and out of nowhere I will see someone running out of the house, and it's that erg, female bitch Pam, and she will see me and kick herself from Leatherface's grasp just after kicking her sandals off, that is, and she will run up to yours truly and scream, help me, please help me, I'm fucking scared. And just as I'm about to whip out my 300-mile-long cock to knock the bitch out, my footster brothers Stu Pickles will come come out and scream, no. Oh, and he will say, hang on there bro, let me handle this, and he will start robbing Pam of her pedal innocence like just be sure not to take too long, Emma belongs to, it's my go-to video after all. And after my bunion brother robs Pam of her pedal innocence, they both skate merrily like dainty butterflies onto the next panel. Meanwhile, Leatherface will show up and start screaming at me. in an ineligible manner like Altmanwea info left square bracket went 10 WHJ03HR0 Wef consultant fascist swatch news for the left square bracket join now left square bracket in van 10 left square bracket of quadrants left square bracket or 0 RH0 and 0 if horse fouge now thousand point cosset left square bracket schedule to Jody for was on for 9 was dodge 0 I'm 439 equals 9 Neankles gel soil silk solid and stuffed quest mall and since I cannot understand a word he's saying, I'll just assume that he is calling me a sick fuck, and so I will pull out my rape whistle, and just then other members of the Barney bunch will appear, including Barney the triple testicle Phagosaur, Ronald the pee penis clown McDonald, the Quaker queer, Arthur loves Cox Reed, Tenchi in Tokyo's Tenchi, Fox shown the lamp blaster Dynal, or Bug in a bum bottle, as he's known in Canada and Australia, Jazz the cock croc, Albert the magic penis pudding, Justin Bieber Lomax, Captain Crunch my balls, Emperor Spine from the Swell chanted Forrest, and Doug Cleveland steamer funny, and then we all pounce onto Leatherface, as we show him the true definition of a sick fuck like using your trademark chainsaw as a dildo. Oh, the wonderful pain. Back to the rape. The meat is meat and a man's gotta eat. That's not even a reference from this movie. And I'll suck my mastodonic 300-mile-long penis like get ready for the yummy white man fluids like bag. That law swelling, then Leatherface will start talking in a more intelligible dialogue and say, oh sweet yippee tie, that was the most swellest homoerotic hootenanny I've ever had in my entire life, and then I will say, what the fuck? Since when have you been able to talk, especially since this newfound information has scratched off yet another layer from the fourth wall? And he will say, I'm sorry I confused you earlier, Mr. Pickles, but I was actually saying, oh my god, it's Drew Pickles, the swellest, most homosexual gaylord in the Speakonia community, and member of the Barney Bunch. I can't believe I finally get a chance to meet you. By the way, I didn't mind you and your Barney Bunch bummers stealing my anal innocence, as I happen to be a bisexual, but my true sexual orientation is voyeurism. Yes, I am a cannibal, and eating human flesh gives me such a sexual thrill like you wouldn't believe. I also happen to be somewhat of a necrophiliac, so if I get the impulse to have my swell way with the dead body that is destined to be my swell dinner, then don't fight the urge, I always say. I also happen to be a member of this new Speakonia group called the Kruger Clan, and I was just on my way to, and before he can even continue his self-indulged ramble, just then the cook will step out of his office and really ask what the fuck is going on here. Leatherface, you bitch hog, who the fuck are these coon shits, and what are they doing in this movie? And I will say, hello Mr. Cook, my name is Drew Pickles, the gayest man in the universe, and these people next to me are the Barney Bunch, and we just got done turning the Texas Chainsaw Massacre into the Texas Mega Bum Swell Massacre, and he will then scream like, you map-haired idiot, your shenanigans have made this movie's continuity as fornicated as the fourth wall which you and your poopy faggots have continuously destroyed in this video. And then me and my Barney Bunch bum buddies will go up to this complaining cunt and say we will show you the true definition of a bunch of nap-haired idiots. Whoops, I mean sick fucks, and so we all pounced onto this welfare warrior and we fuck. No one can escape from the Barney Bunch rape. There's just some things ya gotta do. Don't mean ya have to like it. But I can guarantee that we like it. We like it very much. And as our Rossi Croc mate Jazz says, to fucking bad bitch. Leatherface is shutting his chainsaw up the cook's ass like a dildo. Feel the wonderful pain. Using the shattered pieces of the lung, since this video started broken fourth wall, as Dildas. Now, for the happy ending like. Yes, there are some podophiliacs here as well. And it's going on like bag. That lost swell. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, this all sounds so super duper but fucking cockstroking cum guzzling ball bursting teabagging deep throating shit eating dildos shopping soap dropping Cleveland steamer plopping testicle popping ain't no rape like a Drew Pickles rape cause the Drew Pickles rape never stops. This video will make you a poopy faggot faster than you can say map-haired idiot poopy cummy swell in the bum bum. I think I'll go to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre and do all of this right now. Later all you swell sexy faggots.
Epilogue.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. This is so not swell at all. That stupid faggot raped me up my bum bum. Damn it, if the cook finds out about this there is no doubt that he'll get on my ass about it. Not to mention he'll probably even get on my case for robbing graves again and robbing the decomposing innocence of those sexy corpses. Erg. Oh, hello folks, my name is Nubbins, better known as the Hitchhiker, and I am a corpse-raping, cadaver-pounding, rigor mortis-inducing necrophiliac. Yes, I love to rape dead bodies, and every now and then I like to dig up graves and have my swell way with all the sexy cadavers within. But that kind of shit really pisses off that prude fucker the cook, and with that said I should probably lay low for a while, especially since I'm late getting home because that yucky looking faggot I hitched a ride with raped me earlier some time ago. Anyways, off to it then. Oh wait, who is that sexy looking stud headed this way?
Hello, my name is Rito Revolto and I have come here to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre to get me some satisfaction. Yes.
What's that, Rito Revolto you say? Well, might I say that you are quite the swell-looking cadaver stud, and I would so like to provide you with some satisfaction. Especially if you can get me as far away from the cook as possible. So yes, I will indeed go with you so that I can—
What kind of piece of shit establishment is this? All I wanted was some satisfaction in this mid-70s horror film, and you go and tell me— Oh wait, you said you would come with me? Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. This establishment is not so shitty after all.
Oh sweet rigor mortis, what have I gotten myself into?